Hi everyone. This video is to show you how to disassemble and reassemble an Intuos 4 pen. I was cleaning the outside of my pen and it accidentally came apart, and that really freaked me out. I didn't know what to do. Things got stuck. I thought it was broken. Anyway, to take it apart on purpose, the first thing you do is remove this button, and you can sort of get your fingernail under it and it'll come out. Do it gently so you don't break it. It is hard plastic. You can see there's two buttons in there. Then you just pull this apart like that. Now before you do that, what's going to happen is the eraser has springs in it. They're going to fall out. So you want to be doing this on a surface where you can see everything. You can pull it apart like that. Here, there. These little springs here are the tricky part. There's this tiny one that goes inside of a larger one. I don't know if you can see that. There's this tiny one and a larger one. So, oh, and also this rubber housing comes off. Yeah, rubber housing comes off as well. So to put it back together, you want to first put the tiny spring inside the larger spring. You might need some tweezers to do that. Anyway, you can see that tiny spring is inside of the larger one. Doesn't seem to matter what end goes in what end. They're just same on both ends. The end here has a little protuberance that holds the spring in place. So you just sit it on top like that. Then you take the cap and gently sit it on top so that it seems to be in place. Then this is the end. Wacom is the end. You just slide. Oh, before you do that, if you shine some light into it and look through, there's grooves inside the cylinder that line up with the edges of the circuit board. So you want to look inside and so you can see those grooves, and then make sure they're in line with the circuit board so that it just slides on easy like that. If they're not in alignment, it's sticky. It shouldn't be sticky when you're trying to slide it on. It should slide on very easily. So if it's sticky, just look through with some light shining behind so you can see the grooves, align them with the edges of the circuit board, and it slides up and down quite easily. Okay. The next thing that I do, there may be other ways of doing this, is I slide the rubber housing on so you can see that the opening lines up with the holes like that. Then, oh yeah, the buttons. There's the buttons there. They want to be aligned with the holes on the opening there. Push it in from the nib part, and it just clicks on pretty easily. The button, clicking button, whatever it is, the fat side goes towards the back. The thinner, you can see that the thinner part goes towards the front. So you just push it down, and that's it. Clicks, seems to work. The eraser. I never use the eraser, but I can feel it working. Okay, so I hope that helps.